Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to another CSS video. In this video we will be going over combinators. So everyone knows the very first one. It's the descendant selector, which is basically it targets any element that is inside of the first declared element. So what this does is it will target any p element or paragraph element that is inside of a div. So you can see we have a div created here. This is one big div, and we are targeting p, which is inside of div. So that means that this paragraph, and these two paragraphs will be targeted. So if we want to change the background color of this, for example, let's just do yellow. Save that. Go here. Refresh this. You can see that the first 4 paragraphs get targeted, but the second 2 don't. The reason being is these 2 paragraphs are not inside of a div, because we are only targeting paragraphs that are in divs. So that's the very first one, the descendant selector. We kind of went over this a couple of videos ago, so I hope everyone was familiar with this. But the next one that we can do is the child selector. So if we, instead of there being just a space, let's add in this arrow. Okay, so what this does is it selects all elements that are children of a specified element. So you can see, so we have div p. So firstly, let's see what it does. Refresh this. So what this does is, you can see it does not print this one out. The reason being is that we are targeting paragraph, we are targeting the p element that is a child of the div being the parent. So you can see that these two and this one, so paragraph 1, 2, and 4 are children of this parent div. However, this third one, even though it is inside the div, this paragraph is a child of section. So this does not account for paragraph 3, and obviously it doesn't account for paragraph 5 and 6 because they're children to no parent. Okay, so that's how the child selector works. Next one that we can do is the adjacent sibling selector, which is just a plus. Okay, so if we look what this does first, so you can see it only targets 5. Now the reason why it only targets 5 is basically what this does is it targets any paragraphs that are directly after a div. So you can see we have a div here, and then the next element is this paragraph. So this one is going to be targeted. Even though these are inside of the div, they won't get targeted. And this one will also not get targeted because the element before this one is not a div. It's another paragraph. So only this one will get targeted because this element is right after a div. So we can see again, yeah, only paragraph 5 gets targeted. Again, and then I guess the next one will be the general sibling selector, which is just, I need to find this now. Wherever this one is, where is this? Let's see. This one, not the hashtag, well, this squiggly. I don't even know what the name of this symbol is. But yeah, this is the general sibling selector, and what it does, it selects all of the elements. So before, we had the plus, which would target just the element after the div, but now what we're doing is we are targeting all elements, so all of these elements after this element, after this div. So that means that paragraph 5 and paragraph 6 will get targeted because both of these paragraphs are after this div. So this is all saved. We can go back, you can refresh, and you can see paragraph 6 and 5 get targeted because both of them are after this div element. So that's about it for combinators. I hope this video has helped. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.